Pressure washing this pen now. The system says it's due.
I'll scrape the solids onto the conveyor.
Perfect. Hygiene protocols are all to clean up.
Fresh grass in trough 1, feed in 2. Let's move. Good bulls, clean up. Next pen, keep the pace.
Inserting the thermometer now, holding him steady. Palpating the hump feels normal. Ear clear, no discharge. Noting the weight and temp, body score.
Body score is 3.5.
Hip height is 152 cm.
Jaw is normal, no swelling.
Moving to the second bull.
Body condition score is 7.
Transport vehicles arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, carrying legally sourced gray Brahman cattle. The white horns and prepared hides are processed as sustainable and high-quality supply chain. Meanwhile, premium hides move into large soaking tanks inside the leather processing department, advanced treatment systems operating continuously.
Humidity's at 45%. Keep it steady.
Got it. Loading the last hide. Temp is climbing, that's good.
The hides are immersed in chemical solutions, beginning the transformation. Next, the hides enter the tanning drum, where rotation preserves surface quality and durability.
Surface looks even. Check the grain. Consistent. Flipping it. Underside is clean. No flaws. Agreed. This batch is good. Starting batch 2. This one feels good.
Okay, passing it over. This one's ready for cutting.
Good. Keep the flow going. Handle these with care. They're premium. Understood. This comb is flawless. Good. Place it in the center slot. Perfect. Seal the box. Ready for the next.
The comb's teeth are perfectly aligned, no imperfections. The hinges on these frames are seamless, excellent material. The pen's weight and balance are perfect, a luxury item. The jewelry's gemstones are flawless, exceptional clarity.
First batch is here. Let's check dimensions and craftsmanship. This leather's grain is consistent. Stitching is precise. This horn handle passes dimensional checks.
Overall appearance and texture are excellent. Approved.
The threading is precise. Yes, a perfect fit. Securing the nib now. Assembly complete. An elegant instrument. Let's check this horn piece against the export specs.
I'll run the digital scan now. Leather dimensions are perfect. It passes.
Excellent. These meet our premium standards.